Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to stop Roblox crashing, right? If you're facing this issue again and again, then I'm just going to show you some of these steps in just few minutes and your problem will get solved forever. So first of all, you have to just open your start button and click on and make sure you just restart it, right? And once your computer or laptop is rebooted, just go here on the search bar and type run. And once you type run, open this and here you will just erase this. Here you have to just type percentage local app data and again percentage, and there should be no space. Then just click on OK and here you will find Roblox. So once you find Roblox, right click and just delete it, right? So yeah, it is not going to face any issue. This will just remove all the unwanted trash files and it will make your stop crashing your Roblox. So once you do it, it just take a few seconds, and once it's done, try to open your Roblox. If you're still facing this problem, then again just go to the run and type here percentage temp percentage and enter, and make sure you select everything and delete it. And once you delete it, it will just fix your problem forever. So these are the three ways where you can fix your Roblox crashing and it will solve your problem forever. I hope you found this video very useful. If you did, subscribe.